The past simple. The past simple is used to talk about completed actions that happened at a fixed time in the past. It is the most commonly used past tense in English. Regular verbs in the past simple. To form a regular verb in the past simple, ed is added to the base form.
Walter washed his car on Tuesday.
The verb ends in ed. Fixed point in the past. How to form. Most verbs in the past simple do not change with the subject.
I played tennis yesterday. You played tennis yesterday. He played tennis yesterday. She played tennis yesterday. We played tennis yesterday. They played tennis yesterday.
The same form is used for all subjects. Further examples.
Last night, I watched a documentary about Italy. Heather cleaned her bedroom last weekend before the party. Last Friday, I danced with friends. Tom shaved off his beard yesterday. Tom usually drives to work, but yesterday he walked instead. After work, Nia listened to music and started reading a new book.
Spelling rules for the past simple. The past simple of all regular verbs ends in ed, but for some verbs, there are some spelling changes, too.
Wash. Washed.
For many regular verbs, ed is added.
Dance. Danced.
Last letter is e. Just a d is added.
Try. Tried.
Last letters are a consonant and a y. The y is removed and ied is added instead.
Stop. Stopped.
A stressed final syllable ending consonant-vowel consonant. The last consonant is doubled and ed is added. Further examples.
Jump. Jumped. Arrive. Arrived. Carry. Carried. Drop. Dropped. Work. Worked. Save. Saved. Cry. Cried. Hop. Hopped. Play. Played. Decide. Decided. Hurry. Hurried. Step. Stepped.
Irregular verbs in the past simple. Some verbs do not take ed to form the past simple. There are no specific rules about how to form irregular verbs in the past simple.
I went swimming yesterday.
Went is the past simple of go. Common irregular verbs in the past simple.
Go. Went. Have. Had. Do. Did. Put. Put. Come. came. See, saw.
Further examples.
I swam in the 500 m race. Sam ate 2 pizzas. I came to the US in 1980. We went to the zoo last week. We saw some rare birds. They drank all the lemonade. I did really well in school. They had a great vacation. Steve put his cup on the table. Sheila drove to the park.
Be in the past simple. The past simple of be is completely irregular. It is the only verb in the past simple which changes depending on the subject.
The traffic was bad, so we were late to school.
How to form. The past simple of be changes with the subject.
I was late to school. You were late to school. He was late to school. She was late to school. We were late to school. They were late to school.
Further examples.
He was a doctor for 40 years. We were at the library yesterday. She was a Broadway star in the 1960s. There were lots of people at the party. There was a party last night. They were at the movies last week.